This YouTube channel is making a lot of money creating simple children's learning videos. Their videos are basic 2D animations, and some of their most popular ones have over 60 million views. Checking their stats on Social Blade reveals they have almost 2.2 million subscribers, over 12 million views in the last 30 days, and an estimated monthly earning ranging from $3,000 to $49,000. But don't worry, today I'll guide you on how you can also create successful content like this using just your mobile phone. The first step is to ask ChatGPT to create a children's script for us, focusing on exploring 3 different animals. ChatGPT will do a fantastic job of crafting the script. After that, we'll copy it to a Word document for easier use. Next, we'll head over to 11labs.io for voiceovers, selecting a suitable voice that matches the tone we're aiming for.
Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
Moving forward, we'll input the script piece by piece, taking it chapter by chapter since we need about 5 scenes for our story. I'll start by putting in the first piece, and we'll listen to how it sounds. Let's dive into the exciting world of creating engaging children's content. So once we're happy with our changes, we can go ahead and download it. So what we're going to do is repeat this process for each of our scenes. After that, we'll head to adobe.com/express. This is the Adobe Express page, and the cool thing is everything we need for our character is right here. Next, we scroll down a bit in the video functions, looking for quick actions. Check out this cool function called Animate from Audio. Let's click on that. First, change the background color to green screen. Now, there are plenty of characters to choose from, all interesting for our animation. Once you find one you like, select it, and you'll see a browse function. Hop in our first scene there, and in a moment, it'll create it. Let's see how that sounds.
Hello, young explorers. Welcome back to our amazing adventure. Today, we have an incredible journey ahead filled with 3 incredible creatures that will leave you in awe.
So, what we're going to do is repeat this process for each of our scenes. Once we've got that done, let's head over to canva.com. Now, inside Canva, navigate to the video functions, find the video landscape function, and head over to the elements section. Here, we're on the lookout for a background. I'm thinking of a cartoon classroom background. If you're using Canva Pro, you get access to some cool pro images, but if not, no worries, you'll find something suitable. Now that we've crafted this neat and simple background to kickstart our video with our character, the next step is to check out the time frames for each video. Your videos will display their durations, and our goal is to align the settings to match these time frames precisely. Cool, right? Let me know if there's anything specific you'd like to add or tweak. Let's kick off with some fantastic moments. Now, I'll introduce you to the amazing things Canva can do, especially in creating super cool and fun animated backgrounds. Our upcoming scene is all about Africa, featuring a majestic panda. So we're on the lookout for some birds to add that extra touch to our image. I tried the first bird option, but it didn't quite hit the mark. Let's explore if there are other options available. Check this out, a flock of birds flying in a V formation. It's already animated and in motion. But wait, there's more. If we head over to the animation settings, we can create a track for this animation to follow. Just click, move it around, and voila, that's what you'll get in your picture. You can choose whether you want it to be smooth, original, or steady. Smooth adds a nice fluid motion. We can even adjust the speed, making Canva truly incredible. Now, let's add more details. Time to search for our panda. Placing it into the picture, we can play around with animations. Whether it's in motion or perfectly still, Canva gives us the flexibility to make it just right. Now, let's repeat the same process for the other parts of our video. Canva is impressing me with how easy it is to use. After we've made our scenes and adjusted their length to match our audio, the next step is heading over to filmora.wondershare.net. No need to worry, all the links will be down in the description. Once you're there, download it for either your Mac or Windows PC, set up your account, and this becomes your dashboard. Now, let's import all the information. Fantastic! After importing, grab your first clip, Apply it, and place your character right on top. Here comes the fun part. Let's use the chroma key function. Watch that green screen disappear. Now, let's have some fun deciding where to place our character. You might notice I didn't tweak the length. Filmora makes it easy with the snapshot feature. Snap a picture of your scene, and since nothing's moving, just pop it next to our timeline. Trim it out, and voila, it slots in perfectly. Move on to the next scene, repeat the process. Tweak the tolerance, shrink the character a bit, and look at that. It's turning out amazing. I like to add a bit of space between scenes to slow things down a bit. For our final scene, make some tiny tweaks. Don't forget, we can sprinkle some music on it too. Filmora has a great selection of children's music, and it's cool for commercial use. Once we're happy with everything, hit that export button, and we're done.
Hello, young explorers. Welcome back to our amazing adventure. Today, we have an incredible journey ahead filled with 3 incredible creatures that will leave you in awe. Did you know dolphins communicate with each other using a unique language of clicks and whistles? It's like they have their very own underwater concert. Our first stop takes us to the magical land of bamboo, where we'll meet the playful pandas. Did you know pandas are expert climbers and love munching on bamboo? Eagles are known for their keen eyesight and powerful wings. Just like them, we can always reach for the skies and achieve great heights. We had a great time checking out pandas playing in the bamboo forest, seeing dolphins talk to each other underwater, and being inspired by eagles' sharp eyes and strong wings. Thanks for exploring these amazing animals with us, and thanks for watching.
So, there you have it, guys. That's exactly how you can create your own animation in just a few minutes. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content just like this.